Are you struggling to get your Twitter cards to display correctly? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into the frustrating world of Twitter card errors, specifically the dreaded "no card found" message. I totally get it. It can be really annoying when your website's content looks great on Facebook but just won't show up on Twitter. You're not the only one facing this issue, and we're here to help. Here's the situation we're tackling today. One user reached out saying they can't get their image card to show up when tweeting their website. They provided a link to their site and mentioned that everything works perfectly on Facebook. Sound familiar? Let's figure this out together. So, what could be causing this "no card found" error? It often relates to missing or incorrect meta tags on your webpage. Don't worry, we'll walk through the necessary steps to fix this. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that can help you avoid these issues in the future. To resolve the card error on Twitter, the user should first ensure that the correct meta tags are implemented on their website. Specifically, they need to include the Twitter card meta tags. Next, the user should verify that the image URL is accessible and correctly formatted. The image must be hosted on a secure server and should be publicly accessible. After updating the meta tags and verifying the image, the user should use the Twitter card validator again. This tool helps confirm that the changes are recognized by Twitter. If the card still does not appear, the user may need to clear the Twitter cache. This can be done by refetching the URL in the Twitter card validator. Finally, the user should check the Twitter developer documentation for any additional requirements or troubleshooting tips related to Twitter cards. Fun fact, did you know that Twitter cards were introduced back in 2012? They've come a long way since then, but sometimes they still throw us for a loop. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests adding specific meta tags to your website. They recommend including the Twitter card meta tag with the value summary large image and the Twitter image meta tag with the direct URL of your image. Now, let's dive into a different answer from another user. An alternative solution suggests changing your Twitter card tag to one of the following types: app, player, summary, or summary large image. This adjustment can help resolve the card error you're experiencing. Make sure to include all required meta tags for your card. You can validate your changes using the Twitter card validator to ensure everything is set up correctly. For more detailed guidance, you can check out an article that provides insights on social media cards and interaction. Now, let's see a response from a different user. An alternative solution from another user suggests adding specific meta tags to your website's head section. They recommend including the Twitter card meta tag along with your Twitter account details. This user emphasizes that Twitter needs to know which account the card belongs to, so including your Twitter ID is crucial for generating the card correctly. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always double-check your meta tags and use the Twitter card validator after making changes. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches. And there you have it. With the right meta tags and a little patience, your Twitter cards should be displaying perfectly. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more insights.